Sanibonani la kwa YouTube, igama lami Khayalethu ngakaZulu. Namhlanje ngicabanga ukuthi isuku oluhle lokuthi sifundisane ukuthi how to install Windows 10 on your Macbook Pro. Kakhulukazi if iMac yakho indala, ngoba ziba khona inkinga esiba nazo ngesinye isikhathi thina sisebenzisa iMac ukuthi siyithola sesidinga usizo lweWindows. So if iMac yakho indala ayikwazi uku-install iWindows 10 boot camp. Let me walk you through installing VisualBox, which is what we need to assist our old MacBook Pros to be able to run Windows 10. Namhlanje ngizokufundisa ukuthi uyi-installa kanjani i-Windows 10 starting from installing i-VisualBox. Kakhulukazi when your machine is old, when your MacBook Pro is old, because the new MacBook Pros are able to install Windows 10 through something called boot camp. The new MacBook Pros, you just have to go to applications, you go to utilities. But now this MacBook Pro is very old, so namhlanje ngizobe ngisiza nina ke bafowethu ke abanama MacBook Pro amadala. Ungakhona nje ukuthi uvele uthi straight Windows 10, ngoba kulezi insuku bathi Windows 10 uphana mahala, awunankinga ngama software wawo. Ngicathi business yamba kakhulu. Okay, nansi enhle kakhulu that you can use download Windows 10 disk image ISO file Microsoft. Go ahead. Okay. Bathandekayo. Page lokuqala elivelayo leli laka microsoft.com software download. Okay, select e-edition first, which is Windows 10. All right, this is it. Confirm that, wait for a moment. Bese futhi ifika la khona kumele khona uzikhethele ulwimi olukhulumayo, olwesiZulu, sesingisi. All right bafethu. Confirm that. The next thing kumele uyenze is to choose between a 64-bit 32-bit. So obviously mina I wanna go for a 64-bit. I have already downloaded the game in 64-bit yami. So njengamanje ngizovala leli page and take you through the process of downloading VisualBox. Okay, go ahead and say all right, no, just go to the URL. Go ahead and say virtualbox.org bafethu, and then / hit return. Nali page lizoqhamuka. Emva kwalokho uclicka this green big box and they make sure ukuthi bakufakela the latest version, which is 6.0 for sure. Nazog 6.0.6 platform package. La ungayikhethela ukuthi ufuna Windows OS X Linux, but now you're gonna go ahead and click OS X host. Pop up. There we go. Opening VisualBox 6.0.6. The DMG now. I've already downloaded this DMG, but for when go ahead and click save file, so that when you go to your download folder, you meet them there. So I have the Windows 10 here. I also have the VisualBox 6.0.6 ready. Double click on that VisualBox PKG, which is the installer. This is the first screen that pops up when you first open your VisualBox. Then in this solandela ngayo, let's just click on that yellow scroll wheel which is setting as via. Alright, nayo into evelayo. The name is Windows 10. The type is Microsoft Windows. The version is Windows 10 64-bit. Alright, don't worry about that. Let's just click on the shared folders. Let's check on that pause, network, audio, storage. Alright. Here we're supposed to click storage. When you click on empty, then click on this little disk. Choose visual optical disk file, host drive. Alright. Let's choose visual optical disk file, which is DISO that we downloaded earlier. Let's go straight to download Windows 10 ISO 64-bit. Open, click over there. Good to go. Yeah. Alright. Now we are set. And this is soyenza manje. Let's double check and triple check everything before we click on that green button which is start. Good to go. Okay. For sure, some of us are familiar with this Windows screen. There's Windows logo there popping up, starting up. There's a message there that says you have the auto capture keyboard option turned on. There's another message that says you have the auto capture. Okay, the visual machine reports that the Gerst OS support mouse pointer integration. This means that you do not need to capture the mouse point to be able to use it in your Gerst. Alright, here we go. This is the first pop-up. This is choose the language. English United States. Alright. Hit next. Hit install. There we go. Setup is starting. So let's just close these messages. Setup is starting. Let's wait and see. Product key issues. Privacy statement. I don't have a product key. Definitely I don't have, guys. But if you have an account with Microsoft, go ahead and buy one if you wish to activate it in future. Sure. So just click there if you don't have it like me. Okay, let's choose Windows 10 Home, Windows 10 Pro, and for workstations. For me, I like the bigger ones. So let's go ahead and click next. Alright, here we come. I accept all the license terms. Click next. Now it's asking custom installation or upgrade. Obviously custom installation or upgrade. Custom installation, install Windows and keep file, setting and application, install Windows only, advanced. Let's click here. Click next for sure. I'm not sure if we're supposed to click new or refresh or load drive, but obviously next. It's simple, guys. It's simple. It's as if you're installing in your Windows machine. I'm gonna have to pause it and come back later after this is done and show you how to set up your first screen of Windows. Okay, welcome back. It looks like it's about to finish. It's installing updates. Okay, just in manje it's down. All right. Okay, now it's finishing up the process. Copying of Windows files done and everything. Now it's rebooting the system within the system. I like this, guys. Okay, it will ask you as if you have a disk of Windows in your machine. It will ask you to boot from a disk. You don't have to click that. There's it. See, you're familiar with this. Remember that. It says if you are booting from a disk. You can also change that. Mangabe swile move senza ama settings where we have set the system to boot from the visual box or from the ISO that we downloaded. So it's all about our choice. Even if we had a CD, we were supposed to put it in our Mac so that and set up our Mac from the properties from the back of the system and set it up to boot from the disk. So just have to keep that in mind. Alright, now it's loading again, booting up. Just next time we're gonna be doing basic video editing tutorial, so don't worry. Make sure you hit that bell so that now it's still starting up. Starting services. Alright. Getting device ready, 32%, that's 66%, I'm sure it's gonna be 99%. 100%. Getting ready. Getting ready, ukundiza ndikumoya. Alright guys, alright. Bafethu, please subscribe. Please subscribe. Ah man. Okay. Another screen came up. Alright, gonna have to be patient ke bafethu ngoba i-Windows inezinto eziningi i-Windows 10 to set up because kumnandi manje emhlabeni siningi izinto. Number one, let's find the country. My country is South Africa. Click there. Say yes. Okay. And choose the keyboard language or the keyboard layout. Add layout. Go ahead and check on English because there's nothing like Zulu in these computers. English South Africa. Go ahead and click on that. Click next. Add layout. Now let's see what's new from Windows. It means we are getting there. We are closer to finish, and it's very confusing when it keeps showing you very many things that you don't even understand what are they for, but are all the files that your system will need in the background in order for it to run smoothly. because you know how these things operate, guys. Please bafethu ningadinwa ilokho. At the moment, let's wait for this. Now let's see what's new from your Windows, from the Windows. Manje iyabuza ke at asking us how would you like to set up for personal use, set up for organization. At the moment it's for personal use. Go ahead and click. Yes, select that. Click next. Just a moment again. But now the nice thing is that we are setting up the accounts now, so we are about to finish. Right. Who's going to use this PC? Alright, it's me. Then click next. Password. It's me. It's my password. Confirm password. Security question. Answer. Okay, let's hit yes. Okay, set. Windows 10 on our Macbook Pro. Please subscribe, like, comment and share. Don't forget to hit that bell right there just for you to see more videos from us. Thank you so much.